Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Vision. If you're passionate about power, performance and precision, then you're in for something special. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the automotive world, the 2026 Toyota V8. Yes, you heard that right. While the global industry rushes toward electrification, Toyota is reigniting the flame of raw combustion performance with a refined and re-engineered V8 engine for 2026. Now before we get into the details, let's clarify one thing. This isn't a simple continuation of Toyota's older version 8S. This is a new age interpretation of what a V8 can be in today's automotive landscape. The 2026 V8 is expected to power a variety of high-end Toyota and Lexus models, and it's more than just brute strength. It's about delivering balanced power, modern technology and unmistakable performance. Toyota has been teasing the return of a V8 engine for a while, and after much speculation, insiders and early leaks have all but confirmed it. The new V8 is being designed with a twin-turbocharged setup, offering superior efficiency while still maintaining that growl and torque we've come to love from traditional 8-cylinder power plants. Initial figures suggest the 2026 Toyota V8 will push out somewhere between 450 to 600 horsepower depending on the model and application. Expect torque figures in the ballpark of 500 to 650 pound-feet, and those numbers aren't just for bragging rights. They're going to matter in real-world driving, especially when it comes to towing performance, hauling power and high-speed stability. This V8 won't just be a single engine thrown into one or two vehicles. Toyota plans to integrate it across several key models, including the next-gen Land Cruiser variants, the Tundra high-performance Lexus cars, and possibly special editions like a Land Cruiser GR or a limited-run performance sub-model that could rival anything from AMG, BMW M or Audi RS. So what makes this new V8 different? For starters, it's built using lightweight materials, aluminum blocks, forged internals and redesigned cylinder heads, all in an effort to reduce weight, increase efficiency and enhance durability. Toyota's engineers are also rumored to be implementing variable valve timing, advanced fuel injection and cylinder deactivation to allow for better fuel economy when cruising. And then there's the sound. One of the biggest reasons enthusiasts love V8 engines is that deep, throaty rumble. Toyota's development team has worked to preserve and even enhance the exhaust tone of this new V8. Whether you're idling, revving or pushing it through a mountain road, this engine promises to deliver that satisfying mechanical soundtrack that electric motors just can't match. Transmission pairing is another key element. The 2026 V8 is likely to be paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission refined for smooth shifts under normal driving and lightning quick response under load or aggressive acceleration. In performance applications, paddle shifters will be included in sportier models, and some trims may even allow manual gear selection through the shifter itself. Drivetrain configurations will vary, but you can expect most V8-equipped models to come standard with all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, especially in trucks and subs, with a focus on off-road and towing capabilities. Meanwhile, performance sedans or grand tourers may use a rear-wheel drive layout to maximize driving dynamics and maintain that classic V8 balance. Fuel economy is always a concern with big engines, but Toyota has invested heavily in technology to make this V8 as efficient as possible without sacrificing power. Things like start-stop systems, regenerative braking, hybrid assist options and multi-mode drive settings will allow the engine to behave differently based on driving needs, shifting between eco-friendly cruising and full-bore power delivery when desired. Let's talk about the vehicles that will feature this engine. One of the most exciting candidates is the next-generation Toyota Tundra. The 2026 Tundra will likely offer the new V8 as a premium option for buyers who want maximum towing and payload capacity combined with smooth performance. This could be paired with off-road trims like TRD Pro or a new performance-oriented package that includes upgraded suspension, exhaust and drivetrain tuning. The Land Cruiser family is also expected to receive the new V8, most likely in a performance trim or a North American exclusive model. Given that the global Land Cruiser has moved toward smaller engines in the name of efficiency, Toyota may choose to keep the V8 alive in the U.S. for buyers who want that unmistakable Land Cruiser muscle and presence. On the luxury side, Lexus is expected to leverage this engine for its upcoming LCF or LSF performance coupes and sedans. These models will serve as halo vehicles showcasing not just raw speed but luxury and refinement wrapped around that twin-turbocharged powerplant. Expect 0 to 60 times in the low 4-second range and top speeds north of 170 miles per hour. The V8 will also allow Toyota to compete head-to-head with other high-performance brands while still offering reliability and longevity that many European markets can't match. The new engine will go through rigorous durability testing across extreme climates, off-road environments and high-speed conditions, ensuring it lives up to Toyota's reputation. One of the most exciting parts of this V8 rollout is how it interacts with emerging technologies. Toyota isn't ignoring electrification. Instead, the V8 may be offered in plug-in hybrid configurations for certain models, providing the best of both worlds: electric torque for city driving and the V8 for long hauls or spirited driving. This hybrid V8 combo could be especially appealing in luxury and performance markets. As part of Toyota's commitment to sustainability, this engine is also expected to be compatible with synthetic fuels or future low-carbon fuel blends, giving it long-term relevance even as emissions standards evolve around the world. It shows Toyota's desire to innovate without abandoning the essence of performance driving. Inside the cabin, vehicles powered by this V8 will reflect the performance under the hood. Expect sport-tuned suspensions, adaptive dampers, active noise cancellation and dynamic drive modes that change throttle response, steering weight, suspension firmness and even exhaust notes. Some models may offer performance telemetry, heads-up displays and launch control. The interior design of V8-equipped models will blend premium materials with purposeful layouts: aluminum accents, carbon fiber trim, leather seating, contrast stitching and supportive sport seats will dominate the higher-end trims. Infotainment systems will include large high-resolution touchscreens with wireless connectivity, navigation, performance analytics and smart integration with driving modes. In terms of customization, Toyota will likely roll out performance packages, wheels, exhaust kits, aero elements and track-focused add-ons for Lexus models or off-road extras for Tundra and Land Cruiser buyers. Think lifted suspension, snorkels, skid plates, roof tents and even modular storage systems built to handle the kind of adventures a powerful V8 invites. Price-wise, the V8-equipped models will command a premium, with base prices for Tundra or Land Cruiser trims hovering around $60,000 to $75,000 depending on equipment, while Lexus performance cars may start near $90,000 and go well over six figures for the full-featured top-of-the-line variants. Toyota plans to officially unveil the engine in mid-2025, with first vehicles expected to arrive at dealerships by early 2026. Production will be centered in facilities capable of handling advanced engine assembly, and early indicators suggest a multi-country rollout, with US, Canada, Middle East and select European markets getting early access. So why is this V8 so important? The answer is legacy. Toyota has a history with version 8S that spans decades, from the legendary 1.0 Fei that powered the original Lexus LS 400 to the mighty 5.7-liter in the Tundra and Sequoia. These engines built reputations for reliability, longevity and smooth power. The 2026 version honors that legacy while looking ahead toward a future where combustion and electrification can coexist. For enthusiasts, this means more than just numbers. It means personality, drama, feedback and the kind of driving joy that's hard to replicate. The sound, the surge, the connection to the road, all delivered with the confidence of Toyota's engineering and build quality. As electric vehicles grow in presence, there will still be a place for combustion engines that do it right. The 2026 Toyota V8 isn't about resisting change, it's about refining what's possible and offering options to drivers who still value the mechanical soul of a performance vehicle. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Toyota V8. What are your thoughts? Do you still crave the sound and feel of a V8 in a world going electric? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews and previews here on Auto Vision. We'll see you in the next one.